So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewer. I hope you are doing fine. Here we are doing so okay. We are doing so fine. We thank God for this other new day that He has made. It's very morning, East African time, and things are okay. Things are okay. The last time I gave you a video about how my chicks were dying, how I was waking up every morning. I find one is dead, and then tomorrow I find another one is dead. Also, as I told you, I lost almost five chicks, and the problem was not that they were sick. The problem was that I think, as I said, on this part of the world, it's raining so much heavily, and it was cold. Actually, it was cold because, as I had said earlier, this house of mine, it is cemented. It is cemented, and and you see, the chicks and together with their mother, they were staying in this house. I was giving them food from this end, and so during the night, I was putting them on a sack. I was placing a sack down, and then I put the mother so that it may sleep there together with the small one. But during the night or in the morning, I could find that maybe it came out of the sack and it just slept down on the floor. So I think now, because of the floor, it was, absorbing cold. So now that was the point why they were there. Because now the remedy, I tried putting them on another house, in another house, but because they still had that cold inside them, so they still died. They still died. So I lost five of them. But now, currently, so initially, and then eventually, I decided to remove the chicks from their mother so that I could now take care of the chicks alone. As you can see, they are down here. They are down here. They are down here. They are doing fine. Since that day, they are not dying because now what I'm doing, my viewer, what I'm doing, I'm just using the quickest and cheapest remedy. So I take these crates. I take these are crates. So what I'm doing during the night, as you can see now, I've put sacks down. Here is where they are eating from. And then during the night, these ones are much bigger. That's why they are jumping now. But when you sit there, they are small. The others which are small. So they eat from this sack. And then now during the night, I take this crate, and then I put down sacks like this. You see, I put down sacks like this, and then now I put this crate like that, so that they sleep inside here. They sleep inside here, and then I take. Now I'm taking care of them like kids, and then I take this one. These are blanket. These are blankets. So I take this blanket together with the sheet and some few sacks, and then I cover them. I cover them so that they sleep inside here. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And since then, I haven't lost any. I've not lost any other. So for meantime, I'm doing that. And then, possibly today, I want to go and buy some wood shavings. I want to go buy some wood shavings so that because now they are growing. Of course, they'll not continue staying here. Because they'll not continue staying here. So I want to buy wood shavings so that I put the wood shaving on this part of the floor. As you can see, I put wood shaving on this part of the floor so that it's just a quarter, of the room. So I put, because they are like 22, so I'll put wood shavings here, and then now I'll put them inside. Otherwise, thank you so much for those viewers who gave their comments. I appreciate so much, and I'm trying to follow each and every advice that you people give me. Otherwise, we are doing okay. We are doing very much fine. We have this one here. She has many few days to give us the chicks, and then we also have this one. You see now so we have also this one. So these are like I gave it 15. I gave it 15 eggs. Then this one I gave it 13. So we're just counting. We're just counting few days, and we'll have the new young ones. And now this time round, what I've decided to do, my viewer, that I'll not be leaving the chicks together with their mother because of this cold, and because maybe I don't have a better place to keep them. So what I'll just be doing, I'll just be taking the chicks and take care of themselves alone. So my viewer, otherwise we are doing fine. We are doing fine, as you can see. We are doing fine. So last time, as I was making a video, I promised that I want to add another layer. But, because as you all remember, this part was just open. This part was just open. I promised that I'll be adding another layer. I forgot to make a video while I was adding that layer. I honestly forgot, and I'm so sorry about that. But now that it's finished, I want to show you. You see now we have this layer. Have this one layer. It's from here to this point, and then now I added this one from this point to that point. So as you can see now, these ones up here, they stay up here, and then down here, you can see down here there's this wire mesh. So they stay up here, and then their droppings come down here. They drop their droppings down here. This is a modern way. I've seen many people employing this way, so that the hens or the birds don't come in contact. The birds don't come in contact with their droppings. So as you can see down there, there's a mesh wire. Put a mesh wire down here. So they stay up there. You see, they stay up there, and then their droppings, they drop their droppings here. So, and then these ones, they stay up here, and then as I said, they drop their droppings. They poop down here. They poop down here on the sacks, and then maybe if you can see, the bigger ones are here. Now I'm working on these ones. What I want to do is to put floor down here. I want to put a floor down here, and then at the end here, I'll put some iron sheets from at this point, and then this point I'll put a mesh wire, so that I have this top, which they stay here. They poop down here. So I collect the poops from this sack. You can see. So it's easier to collect poops. So you just remove these sacks. I go dispose the poops, and then I take it back. You can see that is just removable. Then these ones I just open these sacks, and then I remove the dropping. So I have this top here. Then I have this middle here, and then I have the down layer, so that at least this place I want it to hold for me around. I want it to hold for me around 100. It can hold 100. If this top, because I'll be finishing also here. I'll be finding some materials to finish here. So if this top holds around 50, this 50, down 150. See, that's around 150. But I'm trying so that it holds around 100 to 120. That should be enough. Others, my viewer, we are growing very much. So what I did, because when when you compare between these two, these birds are of the same age. They are of maybe between 1 week or 2 weeks, but actually they are of the same month, the same age. But if you compare some of them, these ones are bigger. You can see these ones are bigger, and these ones seems very small, somehow small. This one. So what I did, because as I said they are all 49, so I took 24 are up here. I just separated them. They are 24 up, and then 25 down, so that no, these ones are 20. So I just separated them. These ones are 25, and then the remaining 24 are down here. So, but as they grow, of course, I'll mix them so that, as I said, I'm making this house so that they move into this house, and then here, so the ones which are growing, I'll move them here. Otherwise, my viewer, thank you so much for those who subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. The views are growing. The views are growing each and every day. So subscription is the one which is we are still at around 380. And as you know, we want to reach 1,000. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll continue growing this channel. I'll continue making a video each and every step that I make. As I have told you, I added this part, and I'm so sorry that I did not make a video while I was doing it, but at least I've shown you how we are growing this place. And also, as I said, I'll be partitioning this bigger house. So when I'll be partitioning, also I'll show you so that you see how we are growing. Also, please give me advice on what I can do best, on the remedies I can do. And I'm reading all the comments. I'm trying as much as possible to make sure that I follow each and every advice that you people give me. Others, thank you so much. Thank you, my people from Nigeria, my people from India, my people from Kenya, Uganda. I'm seeing those even from Zambia, Gambia. I'm seeing those comments coming through, and I appreciate so much, and so much humbled. So let's continue growing. Let's continue subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and press that ring bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Otherwise, thank you so much, and God bless you.